Hello everyone, this is Litan Bhomik. The messages in this audio are recorded with an intention of helping you to actualize your human potential. Listening to the messages and conceiving them will add a momentum to your life, and thus it can make your life productive, successful and content. Efforts have been made to do a thorough research to understand how human life can be more productive and lived in a fashion given the limitation of resources. In fact, I am going to spend an hour of my life with you not to tell you a story and fascinate you, but to share with you some quality thoughts and ideas. These thoughts and ideas will help you to reflect on your life and boost your personal and professional development process. These ideas and thoughts will move you to think anew and act anew. Thus, they will have enormous impact in the accomplishments of your life and in shaping your future. The ideas I'm going to share with you, I'm not sure if these are taught in schools, colleges, and universities on daily basis like mathematics, language, sciences, and social studies. At least from my experience of studying, working, and living in two continents, I can tell you that I have not come across any such curriculum that includes the lessons of creativity, innovation, appreciation, dreaming big, positive thinking, goal setting, thinking out of the box, and personal development. I have not heard of any such curriculum from the people of 30 countries I came across from 6 continents in my academic, professional, and social life. The ideas I'm going to share with you are taken from the curriculum of life and they are taught in experiences. I can assure you that your thought process and philosophy of life will not remain same when you finish listening to these messages and conceive them. So let us step together into the world of transformation. In this audio, you will listen to 7 ideas of personal and professional accomplishments discussed in 7 segments. First segment discusses the importance of personal development in personal, professional, and social life. Second segment is on the role of preparation in life. Third is on soft skills, and soft skills are called the intangible assets of human personality. Fourth step is on attitude towards problem and exams. Fifth segment focuses on the aspects of our emotional health and hygiene. Sixth is on the issue of conformity. And seventh is the most important faculty of human mind, that is dreams and imagination. So please relax and sit back. As you listen to this audio, have your mind open to everything and attached to nothing. Please listen to this audio with a warm heart and a conscious soul and shrug off your judgmental attitude. In this audio, if you find anything that is not your cup of drink, just discard it and move forward.